If you were thinking about going to law school or getting into the legal field, then you might be wondering what that path looks like. What should you major in? What should you study in college to give you the best chance of success, both in law school as well as being a lawyer? That's what we're talking about on this week's video, so stick around. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a great week and gearing up for another great weekend. I work with a decent amount of high school interns, and I coach mock trial teams and I judge mock trial competitions. And so I get asked a lot what I should major in college if I want to be a lawyer. It's a question I get all the time. So I figured I'd make a video and just answer it. And really, the answer is very simple, it's very straightforward, and that is it doesn't really matter. And what I mean by that is not that it doesn't matter, it certainly matters, but it is much more important for you as a student to major in something that interests you or that you know that you will do well in, because that's going to lead to you getting better grades. You getting better grades is going to increase your chances of being admitted into a law school. You being admitted into law school is obviously a prerequisite if you actually want to be a lawyer. I majored in psychology with minors in philosophy and sociology. I use my degree all the time in the legal field, whether that's trying to gather insight on how people like to think about things or how their brains work, or having some sympathy and some understanding when I'm dealing with a client with mental health issues. All of those things are very vital. I went to law school with and are now colleagues with very successful lawyers who majored in things like business, political science, history, German, music, theater, you name it. And I went to law school with somebody with that major, and they're all very, very good lawyers. It didn't really change how they practice once they get out. They majored in something that interests them, and that served them better than really trying to make sure that they did pre-law or they did criminal justice or anything like that. Those are helpful, sure, but they're not a requirement. And so I don't want anybody out there focusing on what the specific path to being a lawyer is. Just major in something that you like, that you can get decent grades in, get into law school, and then take it from there. So hope this helps. Just like always, if this is a topic that you want to discuss more, or if you have a similar type topic that you want to ask me about or chat about, come by the live stream every Sunday evening, about 7:45 over on Twitch. As always, the link and the handle is down in the video description. Swing by, ask the question, let's talk about it. Let's talk about what your experiences are. Do you agree or disagree with anything that I've said? I just want to have an informal chat about it. So swing by the Twitch stream, let me know what your thoughts are, and we can chat about it there. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Hope you had a great Friday. Hope you have a great week next week. And as always, be good and stay on the right side of the bars.